Good morning, children. This is your maths class, and today we will start with multiplication. Children, in our last class, we have done what is multiplication, what are the different properties of multiplication, and there are two ways to write multiplication statement. First, horizontal multiplication statement that we use for the smaller numbers, and vertical multiplication statements that we use for large numbers. Yes, children, you all know how to multiply smaller numbers. Now let's see how to multiply bigger numbers, the larger numbers. Yes, let's take one example, children. So what is our example? We are going to multiply 43,568 multiplied by 8,093. This is our multiplication statement, and this is we are going to multiply. For multiplying larger numbers, first we have to arrange numbers vertically. Yes, children, and we always start placing numbers from ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, 10,000s column, and we move as towards left hand side. Okay, we always start placing number from right hand side and we move towards left hand side, that is from the larger place value. This much is clear, children. Now what we have to do, we have to first multiply 3, that is multiplicand's digit which is coming in ones column. Okay, first we are going to multiply it with the ones column, that is 3, with all the digits of the number. Yes, children, now see how. Here, first I have copied the number which we are going to multiply. Yes, and then I have taken 3 which is here. Yes, children, first I have copied all the numbers of multiplier that by which we are going to multiply. Okay, and then I have copied from the multiplicand digit which is coming at ones column, that is 3. So how we are going to multiply, children? See, 3 with ones place. 3 8s are 24. I'll write 4 here, then 2 I'll give it to tens column, carry over, then 3 6 are. Yes, children, 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20. So I'll be writing 0 here and 2 I'll be giving to hundreds column. Then I will multiply 3 with hundreds column. Yes, children, so 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7 I'll be writing here and 1 I'll be giving carry over to thousands place. Yes, children, now I'll multiply 3 with thousands column, that is 3 3s are 9, carry 1, 10. 0 at thousands column and 1 at 10,000s column, carry over. Now I'll multiply 4 with 3. So 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 13. I'll be writing here. Now this 1,30,704 I'll copy here. Yes, children, 4 0 7 0 3 1. Why this way? Because we always start placing number from right hand side. Now I'll copy this carry over here. Yes, children, 2 2 1 1. This much is clear. After multiplying ones place, now I'll shift to tens place. Now I'm going to multiply 9 with all the digits which is in multiplier. I have copied here, children, already. See, already we have multiplied 3 with 3, so I have not written 3 here. Now I have copied all the digits of the multiplier and 9 which is coming in tens column in multiplicand. Now see what I am going to do. Okay, it is better to always cut carry over to avoid confusion. Okay, children? Now, see, we are going to multiply tens column first. Now, see here. I'm putting here cross here because there is nothing. Now I'm going to multiply with 9. Now see here. First I'll multiply 9 with digit which is coming in ones column. Yes, and always remember, when we multiply from tens place, we write product from tens place only. At ones place, I'll be putting cross because we are multiplying from tens column. So we are going to write product from tens column only. Yes, children. Now multiply 9 with 8. So 9 8s are 72. 2 will here and 7 will go to tens column. Now 9 into 6. 9 6 are 9 6 are children 54. 54 plus 7 61. So write 1 here and 6 carry over to hundreds column. Yes children. Now see here. 9 into 5 is 40. Sorry, 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 6. 45 plus 6, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 51. 51, 1 I'll be writing here and then 5 will be carry over. Yes children. Now see here. 9 into 3. 9 into 3, 27, 27 plus 5. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 2 will be here and 3 will be carry over to 10,000's place. Yes children. Now multiply tens column with 10,000's place. So 4 into 9, 36, 36 plus 3, 39 I'll be writing here. Is it clear children? Why it is shifting one step ahead towards left side children? Because we are writing products from tens column only. Okay children, so don't get confused by this. So now this product, that is 39 100, yes, 39,21,120 I'll be writing here in next line. See, I have started from tens column, so I have marked cross under ones column because I am supposed to write from tens column only. 2 1 1 2 9 3. Yes children, and carry over I'll copy here 7 6 5 3. Yes, after multiplying from tens column, now shift to hundreds column. So what is there in hundreds column? 0. Now I'll be multiplying from 0 to all the digits of multiplier. Yes children, and it is always better to cut the previous carryover to avoid confusion. Yes, like this. Now I'll copy all the digits of the multiplier here separately just to make you understand children. Yes, and then I'll put cross at ones column, then tens column, and 0 I'll be writing here at hundreds column. Yes children, I am going to start multiplication of hundreds column, so I'll be start writing product from hundreds column only children. When we multiply from hundreds place, we write product from hundreds place. Yes, so put cross under ones column, under tens column. Are we supposed to put cross under hundreds column? No. Why no? As we are going to start multiplication from hundreds column only. Yes children. So 0 into 8 will be always 0. Yes. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 0 into 4, 0. Why? Because whenever we multiply 0 property, remember children, whenever we multiply 0 with any number, the product will be always 0. Now this product, copy here. Yes, cross, as we are not multiplying hundreds column. So tens column also, and 0 0 0. How many? 5 zeros are there. Yes children, now this much is clear. Now come to last one. After multiplying hundreds column children, now we are going to start multiplication from thousands place. Yes children. So I have already copied children number and cross here because we are going to multiply from thousands place. Yes, children. So thousands place, the digit which is coming and in thousands place in multiplicand, from that digit I am going to multiply all the digits of multiplier. Yes, children. I have written here. So as we are going to start multiplication from thousands place, so we will be writing product from thousands place only, children. So put cross at ones column, tens column, hundreds column. Yes, children. Now you have to multiply 8 with ones column. This is simple. When we multiply from the thousands place, we write product from the thousands place only. Now multiply 8 from ones column. That is 8 8s are 64. Write 4 here and 6 will be carry over to tens column. Then 8 into 6. So 8 6 are, tell me, 48. Yes, children, 48 plus 6, 54. 4 here and 5 carry over to hundreds place. Now multiply 8 into 5, that is hundreds column. So 8 5s are 40 plus 5, 45. Write 5 here and 4 carry over to thousands place. Now 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Write 8 here and 2 carry over to 10,000s place. So 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 2, 34. Yes, children. Now copy this product here. Okay, under ones column what will be there? Cross. Tens column, cross, and thousands column, cross, and we will start writing digits from thousands place. So 4 4 5 8 4 3. Yes, children, and we will copy this carry over here. So 6 5 4 2. Yes, children, this much is clear. Children, I have done these multiplications separately just to make you understand. Otherwise, we do multiplication like this. Is it clear? We do multiplication like this. Always remember. I have done multiplication here to make you all understand. Yes, children, this is how we used to do multiplication. This is just for your understanding. This much is clear? Now see. Now children, see. This is exactly how we do our multiplication. Yes? Do I need to revise it? Let's revise it again, children. So, for doing multiplication, we first place numbers according to their place value from right hand side. That we have done. Then we always start multiplication from ones column. Yes, children. So, ones column. So, let's do multiplication from ones column. 3 8s are 24, 4 here, 2 is carry over here. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20, 0. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17, 7 will be here, 1 will be here. 3 3s are 9, carry 1 10, 0 here and carry over here. So 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, carry 1 13. So this is here. This much is clear. Now with tens column, 9 8s are 72, 2 here. Why cross here? Because we are multiplying from tens column. So we will start writing product from tens column only. Yes, children. So 9 8s are 72, 2 will be here, 7 will be here as a carryover. 9 6s are 54, 54 plus 7, 51. Yes, children. 54, sorry, 61. So 1 will be here and 6 will be carry over. So 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45 plus 6, 51. 1 will be here and 5 will be carry over. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5, 32. 2 will be here and 3 will be carry over. 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Yes, children, this is clear. Now with 0, that is hundreds column. So put cross under 1's column, put cross under 10's column, and rest will be 0. As whenever we multiply any number with 0, the product will be always 0. This much is clear, children. Now let's see. Multiply with 8 all the digits. 8 8 is 64, 4 here. Why 3 cross? Because we are multiplying from thousands place, so we will be writing product from thousands place only. Yes, children. So 4, 8 8 is 64, 4 carry over 6 here. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 6 children, 48 plus 6, 54. 4 here and 5 carry over here. 8 5s are 40 plus 5, 45. 5 here, 4 will be here. Then 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 28, 8 will be here, 2 will be carry over here. 8 3s are, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 2, 34. Yes, children, this is clear. What now we are going to do? We are going to add. Okay, forget it about this now. Now remember this part only. So 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So what will be here? 4. Now add 10's column. 0 plus 2, 2. Write 2 here. Now 100's column, add 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0, 0. 8 here. Now thousands place. 0 plus 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 4, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. And 1 plus 4, 5. Now 10,000s place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Now after this lakhs place. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 5 here and carry over 1 here, children. Yes, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 2 will be here. Now next carry over here. So 1 plus 4, 5. Yes, children. 5 here and 3 will be as it is. Yes, children. So 35 crore 25 lakh 95,824 is our product. Yes, this much is clear. Now let's see. I believe this much is clear to you all, children. So children, now I believe that multiplication is clear to you all. Yes, thank you so much, children. Stay blessed.